Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. In this video, we will greet technicians and printer users wherever you are. How are you? Hopefully all are in good health. Okay brother, in this video we will review a printer resetter software. That with this software, even printer users without experience can use it. This we need when our printer is blinking, does not respond at all. When it is turned on, a blinking indicator light immediately appears, which indicates that the number of prints from this printer has exceeded its maximum limit. And of course, if we can return the print calculation to 0, then everything will be fine. The problem will be solved. For printer technician, of course, they already know this condition, right? Well, because I have to review this software soon, I will try it too and show you what convenience it provides. So here we will do a test using the printer that is here. Incidentally, there is no blinking printer here, so we will test using an Epson with model L300. We will see if this software will work easily or not. Okay, first we will show that this software is called an adjustment program, like resetter software in general. Now it was made by the Inkchip company, which we can access on its official website, namely inkchipnet. The active link is in the description. Well, to use this software to fix our blinking printer, we only need to download it from the official website. Then we can get the key number. Then the software is ready to use. Okay, we can access inkchipnet. Inkchip. Okay, we download for first. Choose your language. English, for example. Okay, the download will process the file of this inkchip software, 27.3 megabyte. Okay brother, while waiting the download process, I will show you the price. If you are the printer user, you only need one key for $9.99 US. But if you are technician, printer technician, maybe you need more than one key. Here is the option, 3 keys. The price per key is $6.99 US. And for 5 keys, the price per key is $5.99 US. Okay, the download process have finished, and let's to open this software. Do you want to install Inkchip Week? Yes. And okay. Okay, try to open Inkchip Week for English. To reset the the ink counter, we can choose this menu, click this. Okay, here we can choose our printer L300 series. Read was the ink counter. Okay, read for first, and here you can see the was the ink counter of this printer is 54.24%, and this counter is okay because my printer here, the Epson L300 model, is not blinking, right? If blinking, of course the counter is 100% or more than 100% has exceeded the maximum limit. Okay, we will try to reset was the ink counter, and this counter must back to 0%. Okay, we will do this. Close this for first. Okay, my friend, to ensure the ink counter of this printer, I will check this using the other software. Here is adjustment program 2. Okay, let's check this. Check. Okay, here is 54%. This is the same value, right? This is about 3,526 point, and the maximum point is 6,500. So if this value is exceeded the maximum limit 6,500, so the printer will blinking. Okay, let's continue to fix this. What's the ink counter, and this must back to 0 point. Okay, click reset was the ink counter. Okay, here in this layer we can see input reset was the ink key. We can get this key with buy this from the inkchip official website that we have explained before. Okay, you can choose 1K for $9.99 or if you choose 3K $6.99 per K, and for 5K $5.99 per K. Here I have got the K number. I got it from the inkchip company, and I will try this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and done. Please restart the printer in order to finish the counter reset process. Turn off the printer and turn on again. And now we can click this, close this, and try to read what's the ink counter again. Click this. Okay, and here you can see 0.00%. This counter is okay. Alright, brother, the software is working well, very easy to use. You just connect your printer to your computer, connect the computer to the internet to download the software, buy the key from the inkchip official site, and then you can follow my video that I have explained to you, and your printer will working well again as before. I hope this video will useful. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.